Glandularia cross hybrida. This is garden verbena.
Oh, verbena.
So you got
Verbena?
Yeah, verbena.
Oh.
Okay, so you got that one right there. You got that's actually the annual. So let's not look too hard at that. But sort of the more vibrant ones typically are annuals. Okay. This one, and that one over there. What you got? Yeah, you're standing right by there. Are the perennial verbena. Yeah. This gets confusing. Why? Because there's a lot of California poppies in here as well.
Garden verbena.
Yeah, garden verbena. Glandularia. Okay. Make sure you get the right foliage. The foliage on this one is sort of arrowhead shaped. All right, very rugose again. So it's got that quilted appearance to it, and it's even undulate on the sides. Okay, because of the way it grows, and then it's very pubescent. All right, very soft because of that pubescence. Okay, then you'll notice that these occur in clusters. Okay, so the individual flowers are relatively small, but they occur in these clusters that are quite showy. All right, an individual flower here. Let's look at one. It's got a very narrow trumpet-shaped trumpet-shaped structure there, covering up the reproductive structure. And then you've got the 5 petals that are, some of them are separated from one another, and then the other ones are not so much. All right, but then on each petal, you've also got one little division that gives it a really nice sort of almost lacy, frilly appearance to it. Okay. And typically, kind of like the impatiens that we saw, the center of the flower petals are darker in color than the rest. All right. There are red verbenas, there are purple verbenas, there are pinks, there are mauves, there are not mauves, there are sort of lavender colors, whites, and all those mixtures in between. Okay. Verbena will grow typically as a sort of almost like a ground cover type foliage and flower, eventually getting up to maybe 18 inches tall, 2 foot, if it grows on top of each other. All right. You guys be careful. You see that plant right there? That's some research that we got going on.
What is it?
That's Onothera. It's some stuff that Sean, our other TA, is working on.
Cool. What's it classified as? Like,
what do you mean?
Okay, these are summer annuals, I believe. I mean,
perennials.
Perennials. What would that be?
The Onothera. It's sort of like a reseeding perennial, but it's a perennial as well.
Okay.
All right. So verbena. Anybody got questions? It's pretty tough as well. Not quite as tough as like the lantana, but up in East Texas, you have a hard time killing it. Okay?
It's a little hardier. I know it grows.
Yeah, cold hardy. Yeah. Yeah. Typically, when I'm talking about that, I'm always thinking winter. Yeah. I mean, or summer.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Because we have so much trouble keeping stuff alive in the summer. You know, if we find something that stays alive in summer, heck, we'll replant it. No matter about the winter. All right, we good?